In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to create DIY superhero notebooks. I'm Travel Blackman. Let's jump into it. The first thing you'd have to do is to prepare all of our notebooks. And to do so, we'll basically spread glue over the cover of the notebook using a sponge. And we're going to use school glue here along with cardstock. Find the link in the description for 4 other designs in a tutorial we did earlier this week. Now it is as simple as this. This is the first step. So you would have gone ahead and prepared a few books. Now for the fourth book, we're going to prepare this differently. We're going to use 2 pieces of different color cardstock and we are going to cover them with glitter. This is to create a Wonder Woman themed notebook. Don't be afraid to add the glitter, you can always pick up the excess. Now you're going to cover the notebook once again with the glue using our sponge. We attach our first piece and our second piece, we are going to attach some of the glue to the back so as to allow for it to affix to the first layer. Once we would have done that, we are going to cut away the excess. Our first notebook would be Batman themed. You can find these logos in the video description. What I did, I used the scissors and cut out those logos, printed them out, cut them out. Now this little strip here, we are going to cut that out from your cardstock. It's about 5 cm wide and it's the length of the book. Now the first thing you're going to do is add the circle, which is a little bit wider than the actual logo. Now that yellow represents the Batman signal, the light that is usually attached to the signal. Now these can be whatever colors you want. Now this logo is made from a glitter foam which is self-adhesive. So there is no need to add any glue to it. Makes it much easier to work with. Very simple, very easy. Anyone can do this. The only thing that will take some time is cutting the logos. So for this strip, we're going to add some glue and then paste it onto the binding of the book. You don't necessarily need to do this. This is completely up to you. You can use the binding that comes with the book, or you can change it however you wish. Our second design would be Wonder Woman theme. Now again, the link to these logos are in the video description. So go there, download them, cut them out. So we're using the Wonder Woman colors here, red, blue, and yellow. And of course we're going to use the silver binding. Before you actually paste, you want to set the logo in place so you know where you're going to place the pieces when the glue is attached. And again, you're going to use your sponge to apply your glue. It's cleaner and easier that way. Now, this binding is self-adhesive also, so there is no need to add any glue. It is so cool, look at that. Now for the little spots where there aren't any glitter, what you can do is go back, add some glue in those areas and reapply some glitter. Don't be afraid, you can always pick the excess up. And we're all done with our Wonder Woman theme notebook. It looks amazing. Super easy to do. Now we're gonna make a Black Panther themed notebook. I'm gonna use black and purple because you remember his suit has a little purple in it. So again, you can find this logo in the link in the video description. So you basically apply some glue to the circle, the purple circle, place it in position, and then we are going to paste the logo on top of that. You can also find a link to our first video tutorial on notebooks, DIY notebooks for back to school. So you can go follow that link and see another 4 different designs. Remember to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, click on the bell as well so you can get notification for whenever we upload videos. Leave us a comment if you like this tutorial. If you want us to do something else like this, leave us a comment. Now we will not touch our binding. Remember, you can leave your binding as it is if you wish. And here we are. Super simple, super easy, super cool. Now we're gonna do Deadpool. Again, you can find these logos in the video description. The link to these logos in the video description. All of these logos we are using cardstock. The cardstock is pretty sturdy and it comes in a variety of different colors. You can get that at any stationery store, craft store. Or if you don't have cardstock, just go with regular cardboard. It will work. If you enjoyed this tutorial, definitely leave us a like below and click on the subscribe button and bell. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.